Hello, welcome again. It's Mr. Mackey. Today I have a special guest. What is your name?
Maddy.
That's Maddie. Maddie's going to do her work on this side. Daddy's going to do his work on this side. Today we're going to talk about area of more composite shapes, specifically donuts and buttons. Let's get into it. Maddie, can you draw me a donut on your side? I'm going to draw a donut on my side. Good. I want you to draw a radius to the outside of the circle. So a radius from the center to the outside. Good. We're going to label that radius 12. Okay. We're going to just keep this as, let's see, 12. A donut's about this big. Well, let's make it a super small donut, 12 millimeters. Okay, then we're going to make another radius of the inner circle. We're going to make that one a radius of 3 millimeters. Okay, so if you know what a donut is, here's a donut. You can see if we frost the donut, you put like yummy sprinkles and yummy stuff on top of the donut, what would you want on your donut?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. What color sprinkles?
Pink.
Pink sprinkles. Okay. If we are covering this all with pink sprinkles, notice we would cover the area of the donut, but we would not cover this hole in the donut. The hole does not get sprinkles. So we need to find the area of the entire donut, pretend there wasn't a hole, and we need to find the area of the hole in the donut. And what would we do with both areas if we don't want this area? Would we add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Subtract, that's right. Okay, so we're going to take the big circle and find the area of the entire big circle. If you forgot what the formula for area was, that would be A equals pi r squared. Okay, is that the radius? Yes, so we're going to put 12 right here. We're going to square 12. 12 times 12 is 144. 144 times pi, pi is 3.14, or the number of diameters that go around a circle. 3.14 times 144. The area of the entire donut, if there was no hole, is this. The entire whole donut, W-H-O-L-E, whole donut, is 452.16. But we have a hole in the donut. There is no pink sprinkles going in this part because it's a hole. Okay, H-O-L-E, hole. So we're going to find the area of the hole. Same way we did on the big one, except with 3 as our radius. 3 squared is 9. 9 times pi, I think that's 2826, but 9 times pi, 2826. This is how much is not going to get sprinkles. So this number minus 2826, 452.16 minus 2826 equals 423.9 millimeters squared. That would be how much pink sprinkles, Maddie, can you put sprinkles on your donut? That's how much the area is of this donut if you were to frost this part. 423.9. Good. Notice her sprinkles. Do they look beautiful? Do you like them? Okay, Maddie, erase your side. I'm going to erase my side. I hope you guys are well today. Hope everything is going okay at home. Okay. Let's do one more donut one. Maddie, I want you to draw another donut. This time, I'm going to give you a diameter of the entire donut. And we're going to say that that diameter is 40 millimeters. And we're going to say there's a diameter, I'm going to draw it this way, of the inner circle as 13 millimeters. So 40, the diameter of the entire circle. The entire circle has a diameter of 40, and the inner circle has a diameter of 13. Same idea, we're using our same formula, pi r squared, pi r squared. What's different about this question than the other question? Maddie, do you know what's different? What do you think is different about this one? Anything look different to you? Something looks different to me. It's that I gave you the entire line and not just the radius. So some kids are going to take this number 40 and put it right there. No, 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 no. Don't do that. That's the diameter. We need the radius. The radius would be half of that. Half of 40 is 20. And then we're going to plug that into our formula. 20 times 20, 400. 400 times pi. I believe that's 1256. But I'll just... 1,256. That would be the area of the whole circle. We need the hole in the donut. Same idea. That's the diameter. Don't put 13 right there. You need to cut it in half because you need the radius. Half of 13, 6.5. 6.5 squared. That means 6.5 times 6.5. 42.25 times that by pi times by pi. 132,665. What should we do with these two numbers? If that's a whole, subtract. So 1256 minus 132.665. Final answer, 1,123.335 millimeters squared. That would be the area of the sprinkled part of the donut, or the frosted part of the donut. Questions? Hopefully you don't have any. All right, Maddie, I want you to erase. Okay, good sprinkles. All right, erase. I'm going to erase. And we're going to do one more type of problem.
Is it button?
It's a button problem. Thanks, Maddie. All right, where's that button? Do you have the button? Here it is. This is a button. Do you notice? This is a pretty big fat button, but this button's got 4 little tiny holes in it. So when they make this button, they need to know how much plastic they need to make this button. If you look on my shirt, button. These are the normal or buttons that you'll see, little tiny buttons, and there's 4 little holes in them. So Maddie, I want you to try and draw a button up there. A circle with 4 holes. Circle with 4 holes. Okay? I'm going to tell you each hole has a radius of 3 millimeters. And the entire button has a radius of 30 millimeters. Nice. Look at her picture. Here, look out, get out of the way so they can see it. Beautiful. That's a 4-year-old's button. 35-year-old button, 4-year-old button. Good job, buddy. All right. We need to find the area because we're making the plastic. We're filling all this plastic in, but these don't exist. So we need to find the area of the big circle. I'm telling you that the big circle has a radius of 30. So 30 squared times pi. 30. Hey. Don't laugh. 30 times pi equals 2,826. That's the area of the big circle. What? Okay. Next, we need to find the area of one of those little holes. One hole. Radius of 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 times pi is 2826. However, Maddie, how many holes are in the button?
4.
4. You hear that? 4 holes. So Maddie, what should we times this by? What number?
4.
4. So we're going to times this by 4. 2826 times 4. 113.04. That is how much empty space there is in the whole. That's how much empty space there is in the holes. So we're going to take this big number, 2,826, and subtract the 4 holes away. 2826 minus 113.04 equals 2,712.96 millimeters squared. She's got sprinkles on her button. Doesn't everybody want sprinkles on their button? Maddie, it's a button. Button goes on clothes. You don't eat buttons. All right, you're going to have a Google form to fill out. Make sure after you finish the Google form that you click back in the assignment, mark as done. That's important. It's easier for us to grade when you click that button. Hope all is well. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Maddie, say goodbye.